Today we're going to talk about how to load and unload a dishwasher. So the first thing you need to start with is an empty dishwasher. I've already unloaded this one. I have all my dirty dishes from my countertops or wherever they might be in your home, and you can start putting them in the dishwasher. If there is liquid or water in your cups or on your plates or in your bowls, you can pour that down the sink before you put it in your dishwasher. I'm going to keep loading all my glasses. When you're putting your dishes in the dishwasher, you're also going to need to scrape any of the food out. So I have some grease still on my bacon tray, so I'm going to scrape all of that out into the garbage can. So any large pieces of food you're going to want to throw away before you put it in the dishwasher. People can use a fork or a knife like this, one of your ones that is already dirty, to scrape with. And then that can also go in the dishwasher. I'm gonna also put in my silverware. The silverware is gonna go inside my silverware basket. So I make sure everything fits in there. You can just leave it in to do that. If I'm not sure if something can go in the dishwasher, I can also check the markings on the back and make sure that it says that it is dishwasher safe. Okay, I'm gonna check my sink. I have a little plastic mixing bowl that can go in the dishwasher. I'm gonna put it on the top shelf. Sometimes you might have to reorganize your dishes. If you're putting something big in, you might need to move something to a different side so everything fits. I also have a strainer I'm going to add to my bottom rack. Okay, so I'm going to look around my house, see if I have any more dishes. I found a couple more glasses in another room of my house, so I'm going to dump all the water out of these and add them to the top rack of my dishwasher. Once you're done and your dishwasher is full, you can push in all the drawers. And then I have two different types of dishwashing detergent. You can use either one. This one is powder, and this one is a liquid. We're going to add it to the cup that's in the door, and then close the cup. When we're all finished, we're going to close the door and set your cycle. Your dishwasher might look different than mine. For mine, I'm going to select my auto cycle. I'm going to turn off my bottle jets, and you can choose if you want it to heat, dry, and then I just need to hit start. Okay? And then I'll wait till it's all done so I can put them away.